Hey, are we back? Are we back? Am I on? Yeah, looks like I am. Whoa, 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 whoa. My internet went away and then it came back. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it looks like I am on. Let's refresh this. Oh, this one ended, but I guess he created a new one. No way, he created a different one. Hold on. I didn't finish though. I'm still going. There we go. I refreshed it again. Took a little bit. Where's my music at? Alright then, guys. I hope everything's back to normal. Did this create a new stream? All right, anyways, guys, if you get this is just in case this ends up being a new stream, welcome, guys. Welcome to another video here today. I actually was doing a live stream and my internet went down, and now it came back up again. And I guess I have a different video. If it did create a different video, if it's still in the same video, it's ignore what I just said. Just in case he, it separated to a different video here. Just in case you're tuning in and you'd be like, what's going on? Alright, let's refresh it one more time. Everything looks to be good. I'm not worried about Twitch that much. But cool. Alright. I assume everything's back to normal. Everything says streaming. Alright. Whew. I was a little like, what am I gonna do? No idea what happened with the internet. Anyways, what was I doing before? Oh yeah, I was doing this coast to sand thing. And technically it should be the same as the 5th index, but I need to find the index that I'm using, which is 2 and 8 on the 5th index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it was 2 and 8. And then in here, I need to find a way to determine when to use this coast. I think I should be fine if I just use it here. Yeah, I'm already determining what's. Oh wait, I put it in the wrong place, bro. Oops. It should be on top of here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that. That's crazy, bro. They created a different one. Alright, so we have here, we're in the coast. That's going to be transitioning. So what we want to do here is that we just copy this and put this at the top. But instead of using this index, I'm gonna create a different index in here, which is gonna be like coast to sand index. Oh, atlas, I mean coast to sand atlas, which is just takes it. That's not what I wanted to do, and it takes the same index that came here, which is the atlas or whatever index that is called in here. Ocean index? Yeah, there we go. Ocean atlas index, and this is a Godot vector 2i. Coast to sand atlas, and we just copy that here, and waters on that index, and it's updated to the second one, should be the topmost higher level. And since this is water, it's okay. It's probably gonna create other stuff on top of other things that is gonna look kind of crazy, but Let's just build it. Let's just build it. All right, so let's go back out here again. If it doesn't crash, we'll try it. And it did crash. Let's open it up again. Okie dokie. Let's put this up here. Like before, close off the ocean section on that because I'm not using it. I like the chunk tile, find a player, which then generates all of this stuff. Yeah, this is why it's like it's gonna be using the wrong things, which is why I didn't want to use it, but it's okay. One step at a time. There we go. It's almost at the edge of this. There we go. There we go. We got water here. Let's go. We got water in those sections coming in. So we got one coming in. So let's do some other ones here. I don't know if 14 is coming in from the other one or it's not. I guess I have 14 here, but this is wrong. That's one thing I need to determine if this is gonna be sand or not, because there's two different things. The ocean does its own computation and the land does its own computation and then lays it on tile map. But the ocean part, which consists of like the ocean, the coast, and the sand, doesn't know anything about the land. So that's why it's doing 14s here, but that's okay, I guess. All right, anyway. And there's not a lot of 15s. Our what number was 5s? Or the ones that we were doing? There isn't like a crazy load of ones in here. Alright, so we got 7 and then we got 14. So let's try to figure out which is that one. Let's figure that out. Let's figure it out. So what I can do, oh, this is off, huh? Let's do 33 and 21 for empty stuff. 33, 21 on 0. 33, 21. Instead of doing this. So we'll do that for all tiles. Oh yeah, it's double checking that. It's 30, it doesn't matter which one. It's 32, 21 or 32 to 33, 21. As long as it's 21 and 32 or 3. All right. So for the coastal sand, let's just make these the same so it's not confusing. Make it easier on us right now. Actually, that's not gonna work out for me right now. Hold on, because it's using a different Atlas cord for it. We'll only work on regular. So let's trial and error, I guess. Figuring out which is which. We'll do that. For the ones that we need to figure out. For the other section, because this only works if the source ID is 0. Do I have one for source ID 1? Is there an empty section that I can use? There isn't. What I can do is just use the center here, I guess. 1.8 for everything. 1.8 for everything. Hopefully that is not that crazy confusing when I'm doing this stuff, but 1.8. All right. Let's build it again. So I can figure out which section is the ones that I need to do. All right, so it's done building. Cool. Let's go back out again. Where's my player at? There you are. Let's go. Chose the correct thing. All right, so this is how I'm dealing with stuff now. So we know this is water, so this 3 here, it's from the coastal sand. Where do I have? And this 14. Why is it this one here though? I need to look into that. Why is it using this one here? I'm trying to find the other section, but I guess I can do is 3 something that I can use? Yeah, let's do 3. 3 is where top half is water and bottom half is sand. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get that index first. Let's do this tile set first. So this, where it's transition to sand, we got top water is going to be half water and bottom half sand. So this is the one I'm going to be using, which is 3124 on index 3. 3124. 3124. I don't remember which one should I be using. So if I'm coast, because that's what it's doing. So it's on index 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Was it 24? 3124? 3124. Okay. Index 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then we can choose the one here. Let's choose this one here. 1, 9. on index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 9. Let's build it. Hopefully I got those correctly. Alrighty. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's get that, move the player around. And the water's gone because it had changed. Let's find the water again, which is coming up. Alright, so we got the 5s in here, which is great. 7 is a little bit more diagonal. But where's the 3s at? There you are. Oh, that worked. We can do 7 now, which is like a little bit more diagonally. Let's go here. Let's see what kind of tiles kind of match 7 here. If anything matches it. So this kind of like, it's gonna loop like here. Or bottom half, so it's kind of like this. Hold on, let's go in here. Let's go with a higher tile for now. I mean, it kind of matches it, right? But I mean, number 7 has to be like a little bit going that way, which I don't have. I'm gonna have to create that if I do keep this one. Okay. Now let's hypothetically put it there for now. And then on a higher tile, I put that similar one, which ends up being this, which will do this basically. Yeah, that looks fine. Alright, so let's do that on 14, which does this little section here. So this is not on the code, this should be on the other side. Let's see, what index should I be doing it on? It should not be here, but it should be here on the beach area. And I'll take 1.8, which is why I'm getting this section here, because 1.8 on here, it's one of these guys, I think. I don't know. Oh, 1.8. That's 1.3. Here's this guy here. Okay, that makes sense then. Alright. Alrighty. So I should be choosing index 14 to use 3224. 3224. 3224. 32 24. Okay. And then for the other one here, I'm debating if I should be creating another one, but we'll see. We'll come up to it if we do need to. So let's copy this other section here, and this is gonna be happening here as well for the coast, or water 2 is there, and this is using this index, which is 14 as well. And what was the tile index for that? Where's Godot? It is 2-9. 2-9 on index 14. I may need to create another array for this section where it's sand to coast. Maybe? Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Alright. Well, let's build this bad boy again. And then we can create tile 7. We can open this for my Aseprite for now while it's building, and we can create that one after I see if this is working correctly. Cool, it's done building. Let's see if it doesn't crash, and then we can test it out. Sweet, 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 sweet. Oh yeah, look at that. And it's starting to get there right now. I gotta figure out this part here. I may not even need 15 for that and just leave it empty, because there shouldn't be any water here, right? So for that one, 15, I don't think I need it for all sides. This coastal sand is always can be edges. But since I'm using 1 and 8, I may need to create an empty tile. Hold on, and that will help it out so that we don't see water in here. So let's go to Godot real quick. Why do I keep losing Godot? I have it open already. Ay, ay, ay. It's going like when you have your glasses on the top of your head and you forget that you have it up there and you're trying to find it. That's how I feel right now. Let's see. Let's just go in here. Let's create an empty tile. I just need an empty whatever. Let's use this top one right here. Let's go to tile set first. I just need an empty tile. And just select. Forgot which one's the one that I need to. There we go. And then we can just choose that 12-0. That's gonna be my empty tile. And just update this to be 12-0 here. Because this tile should never be used ever when it's transitioning. So that should fix it and remove all the water that's happening here. Ooh, this is gonna be a steep one here. Oh no, because there's 13 here. Okay, that's great. I was like, how is this gonna work? And try to make it where yeah, I gotta figure that out. Anyways, let's do one thing at a time though, and let's do 7. I don't have this towel, at least I don't think I do, so we'll need to create it ourselves for sure. So if I look at my towel set atlas here, I don't believe I have one that matches that, or maybe I do. Never mind, I do. I have it right here. Go. All right, let's use this one then. I do have it. I do have it. All right. All right, let's see. So for 7, which is the coast one that we're doing, this ends up being what was the tile set for this? 3127. 3127. On 7, right? Yeah, on 7. 3127 on 7. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 31, 30, 27, I think it was. Double check that that is what I want. Yep, 3127, and on the 7 index of that, I want to use, do I have it here? I do. 112. 112 on index 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. What's 12? Cool. Another thing I would like to do is the 15s that are here, I want to cover with sand. Or coast. So I'll need sand on those sections. I think I can just copy this on regular sand here. I believe I can do that. Yeah, because it's 15 on both indexes, right? So that should work. Or maybe not. Because the atlas coordinates for this one is going to be different than the coordinates from there. Actually, that'll be pretty smart. If you lay out your tiles correctly, you could probably use the same index. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Anyways, I need to create a different atlas coordinates here. For the ocean tiles. Our ocean tile type. Sand or beach. Which then grabs the index of whatever index we got on top of here. Cool. So let's remove that extra space here. And let's build this bad boy. And we were working on 7, right? Trying to get 7 working. Actually, you know what? It's not this one. Hold on. Hold on. Oh well. Temporary sand for now. Because I'm choosing this one. Or is it this one here? But it shouldn't be that one. It should be this one. It should be this like yellow one here. Do I have a yellow one? No, I do not. I need to create a yellow. Oh, there it is. This is the one it needs to use. Okay. We'll figure it out later. Alright, so let's zoom out. Move my guy around. Alright, let's see. Let's go. Look at that. Yeah, like I said, see, he's using the wrong tile, sand. Which is fine, I guess, for now. But yeah, we got the edges working. Let's go. It's coming along now. It is coming along. And then we go to deeper ocean. And then it's that, which we'll need to transition to as well. Okay. Sorry guys, give me a second. I'm trying to remove all of the these spam comments that I don't need in here. Alright. Where were we? Cool. So we got this edge already, which is awesome. We need to get this in working order as well. That's great. And for this one, I mean, I can cheat it and just say just use this one. I guess I can do that. I can cheat it for now. What was the tile index for that? 3225. 3225. $32.25. Okay, so that should fix all of this sand here to match correctly. I may need to also tweak the sand. I don't really like it anyway. Like I mentioned earlier, I need to just update those. But anyway, next section to deal with is going to be this area here. I need to know the index of those. Oh, there it is. 13 and 11. So how would that work? Do I have anything for it though? That's another question. Or would it be this? And then no, that's not gonna work. Yeah, I may not have this tile here. What do I do? And what do I do in this section here? Do I have anything? Maybe this one? Oh, there we go. Found it. Found ya. Found ya. I already have them. All right. The question here is figuring out which section goes where. Hold on. Let me move you to the side so that I can have better visuals on it. So this is the section where it's transitioning grass to coast to sand, right? Index 13. And then we have this section here. I need to figure out what is this section here, because it has this other one here, 1 and 8. So one section has 1 and 8 somewhere. But anyways, let's do 13. Let's get the index of that. If I remember correctly, it uses that, and it's 3126 for 13. Let's see, it's 15, 14, 13. All right, what was it again? 3126. All right, we got this section to display that. We need the water. Oh wait, I got this wrong. Hold on. This is water over here. Give me 1 second. I should be choosing this one here, coast. Index. This is 15, 14, 13. And 3126. 3126. All right, so that's this section here. And then for water section, and I need to use that one, which is this one here. 111. It's 15, 14, 13. 111. Cool. So that we'll paste it on top of there. Now the second part is here, which is a little bit weird. Guys, there's one that has 1 and 8, which is assuming it's the beach section. So for the beach section, it needs to use this one here, and this one is 3222. 3222. Index 11. 13, 14, 13, 12, 11. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. 3222. I need to close the door, guys. Construction, give me a second. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. I need to close the door. All right, there we go. Where was I? Okay, so 11, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 was 3222. Okay, and now how do I get the water there? I think it's just the coast then, right? It has to be on index 11. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So here, I need to use this little loopy one on top, which ends up being this, which is 2 and 7. Really? I think I have this in the wrong area, but let's find out. Two and 7. Do I have this in the wrong place? Or should it be close to sand? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Let's find out. So I'll put it on the coast section. And if it's not there, then it's in the other section. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. Let's build it. Let's build that bad boy. Alright, it's done building. I may end up crashing. It's been a while since it hasn't crashed. Or not. I'm good with that too. I'm good. Alright. Let's move my player. Whew, there we go. Alright. There we go. We got this action already. Hey, look at that. I don't know if I actually got it already or they ended up working right off the bat, but that looks good. Go down here. Anything? Yeah, let's go. Look at that. Let's go. Coming together. Yeah, I'm not worrying about this side just yet. Just worrying on one side. I'm just worrying about the coast right here. I need to figure out what am I doing in this section over here, because these don't count. But it's all good for now. Cool. Let's check the other area. Where the water is in the opposite section. I need to check that area. There you go. So I need to fix these. I think the water is okay. I need 12 here. Okay. Water is okay, just this thing here is wrong. And it should be choosing whatever this thing is, so I think. Hold on. If I remove that, what happened to this towel here? Oh, I guess because I left it empty, right? I remember I left it empty. So there's water here. It's using the wrong water. It should be. Wait, why is there water on top of this? Dude, we got 188 in here on index 7. Index 7 is just the beach. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, there we go. 1 and 8. And those should be kind of like this way, right? I mean, according to this, it should be okay. Just double checking on that. So we should be choosing the sand. That's this way then, right? This is what this should be here. Yeah, that makes sense. Index 7. And on 3127. Is that right? Yeah. 3137. 3127. Index 7. Okay. That takes care of that. So I should be choosing that. Alright. And then the water, it's choosing the wrong one. Index 7. I think it's a whole towel and it shouldn't be the whole towel. And it should be just this one. No, wait, this one here. 0 and 11 on this towel here. Let's find out which towel that one should be. So now it's choosing 1, 8 for it. Yeah, so index, what was it? Index 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's not correct. Maybe it's not this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's not this one. Should it be this one then? Let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, this is not this one. Interesting. Which towel are you using? Uh, 112. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. This is what I mentioned earlier, that I need another coast to sand, or like sand to coast area, because it's choosing the wrong one right now. Hold on. Let's figure this out. So if I'm on the beach area, I should probably be using another index in here for that, which is similar. Hold on. Let me copy this. But instead, it's going to be sand to coast. Like the opposite way. That's crazy. A lot of things in here. Let's make everything 1/8 here. Or, you know what, just leave it, because I ended up using it in here instead of using this one here. And it's gonna be sand to coast, because I'm on the coast. I mean, I'm on sand right now, and it's transitioning to the coast. So that's what it should be. And this index, instead of 112, I think it was 0 and 11. Yeah. So let's try that. Where this is 11, but this is 0. Oops, I meant to put 1. And this is 0. So we'll go from there instead. So that's one thing. Let's fix up this area, this one here. Let's see if we can fix it here. So 12 for sand, it is empty. Can we get the index? So what's empty here for sand? Give me a second. Using 12. I think I just shows 32. I think it's 32.21, right? On 12. Let's see if I can find that. 32.12. 32.21 on index 12. If there's water there, I think I can see it. Let's find a tile that should go there. Not that. Not that. Do I even have it? Do I have it? I don't think I have this one. No, I know it's not that one. I just wanted to check. Maybe it's this one. No, it's not this one. Yeah, I don't think I do have this one. Hold on, let's get this one on top working first, which is oh, I even have that one too. There's not that one either. And it's not this one for sure, because the water doesn't go, the tile doesn't match it. Well, we have one that we don't have. I mean, honestly, it looks like this, but opposite, right? Or is it this? No, because the water is in the wrong section. It should be flipped over. So let's go to Aseprite real quick. So it's trying to get this, but it's flipped over. No, but wouldn't they create this? Am I tripping? Or am I okay? Hold on. Hold on. Basically, what I was looking forward to is, let's do that. Let's do this. And actually just do that. Copy this. It wants this part here. This is what it wants, which I don't have right now. So I'm just gonna put the dots in here for now. Not like I needed it, because I don't like it anyway. And then let's create the other sides for these. Oops. So just copy this, paste, and let's flip it over. So we got that. Copy that again. Flip vertically. Copy that, and then flip horizontally. There we go. So this is what it's looking for right now. Since I may need all sides, might as well just do it now. And let's put you down here, I guess. Or to fill in this gap, I might as well just use it. Yeah, let's fill that gap in there. Fill this gap here. Cool. So let's save that. That should already have it in here now. And let's enable these guys. Select all of these. So setup, I guess. Let's go. And then if I go to tile map, I should be able to have this now. Or not. I thought it was gonna work. Maybe I did this for no reason. Ah. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be for this here. Okay. I was about to trip, like, why did I do this for? No, this is gonna be for this section, for 14. And I need to one that matches. Okay. Alright, I got it. Almost tripping out here. Alright, let's copy this. Because we need to create that tile in the corner. So let's put it here for now. And what tile should go? This one here. Which one was it? This corner, right? Oh no, wait, this corner here. Needs to match up a tile away from that. And then copy this. Oops, I did too much. Copy that, paste, and is it a tile away or a tile away down? Is that? Oh no, copied the wrong one. Wait, hold on. Yeah, because wait, I don't even have that tile though. Hold on. Yeah, this is the wrong tile. I need one that's the opposite of this. I need to create that tile too, don't I? Or just the colors on the opposite direction, basically. Let's see. Let's remove the water real quick. Yeah, so I need one that's flipped the colors. And I don't think I have one like that, do I? Or am I tripping here too again? Yeah, this is way too high though. I just need one that the corners is yellow. And I don't have that. Okay. So let's grab this tile. And we can need to flip the colors on it. Alright, so let's let's now focus on that. Let's create this other tiles here. Copy. At least I'll have the tile set later, and then I'll just tweak the art or the color of it. At least that's the plan. We have that there, and then we have this here, right? And then we do the same thing that we were doing for the other one. Copy, flip horizontally, and copy here, flip vertically. And then, oops, flip horizontally. There we go. This is the tile that I need right now. And then I can put dots in it if I want to, or whatever. I'm not too crazy about the dots right now, so I can go anywhere. All right. Actually, it probably should match, but it's okay. Let's move you around. I guess this is the best place I can put it at. Cool. So let's save that. Now we have that. We go to tile set. We'll set these up. Go back to tile map. And the one that I need in here, I think I'm gonna have to do the same thing for the water, because I don't have these either. All right, so there's some extra work I need to do. The cooler? What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, switch off these, right? But this is the one that I need to be here for this area, so that yeah, see, the water's backwards here, so I need to do the same thing for water. But I don't have this tile set, which is what I need to create. So let's go back to Aseprite real quick. Might as well just start creating all of this stuff since I'm gonna need it. So let's copy this part. Let's put it somewhere around here. And then I'm gonna need 14, which is that one. Which is one of the new ones I created, right? Yeah. This one here. And it's a tile away. And we need to find a way to connect these in here. And I don't have one that matches it. Or is it just this? Hold on. No, that's way too high, I think. Yeah. That's way too high. It's kind of like this a little bit. Right? Just the colors are flipped. The colors are flipped. Okay. That means I'm gonna have to create all the sides for this, don't I? Okay, so I can remove this. I don't need you anymore. And I can remove you. And we can focus on this and creating all the sides for this. I'm gonna flip vertically. now having these other sides here. But that depends on what I want to do with it. Like this can maybe fit in there, right? Then we can get this side. I guess. I don't know if we ever need this section, but we can just use this. Same thing for the other side. Right, if I were to just flip that horizontally to create that. But I don't need those sections. I just need that. These. Oh, hello. This ended up cutting off. Boo. I thought I copied you. I thought I copied you. There we go. Alright, so we can just move this over here. And we have that section now. I don't even know why I need that though. That's so strange. So strange. Alright, so let's go back here again. Now we have that. Now I think I have the tile sets for this. Or we just need the water, but let's get this one working first. Let's see, let's go to tile sets setup. Let's just have this set up already in there. Strange, I may not even need it though. Yeah, it's very strange that I have those in there. Anyway. Oh, what happened? Oh, did it update on myself? That's strange. Alright, let's just redo it again. Oh, let's count for what I did. Okay. Alright, so we have 7 over here, which has water on it, I believe. Yeah, this is water, but there's nothing here for this section. And that one, what was the index for sand? For this to be empty? Let's check the, was 3221, was it? Yeah, 3221. So let's find it on index 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 31. Oh, 3221. Okay, so it's not this one. This one's gonna be on 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one doesn't have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3127. Which is this one here. Oh, no, this one here. But why is it not here though? Did I remove it? Interesting. No, I'm kind of like tripping out right now because let's regenerate everything again. Because it's using red tiles here. Oh, this is the ocean. Okay, I was tripping out here for a second. All right. I should be looking here, not down there. Got it. I'm tripping out for a second there. All right. Okay. There we go. We're back to normal here. All right. The one that has 7 that has 1 and 8. And I think that's the new section that I created. Santa Coast. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 11. What is 0 and 11? I think I have this wrong because I copied it over, I think. What was 0 and 11 here? Let's look at tile set. 0 and 11. I think that's the water section. I'm looking for the sand though. Hold on. I'm looking for the sand. There's 1 and 8, but not in there. It should be this one here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this has 31, 27. Which is the one that's using that one? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all have nothing that has 1 and 8 in it. That's so strange. Is this the correct index? 1 and 8, but this index 7 is already occupied. So what other sections do I have here that's 1 and 8? Am I doing that? Hold on, give me a second. Am I setting 1 and 8 somewhere here? No, I'm not. I thought I was hard coding it. Okay, so for whatever reason, atlas coordinates at 0, this retrieves 1 and 8 at index 7. That's a number, right? But index 7 has this, which is basically one of these. This one here, right? 1 and 8. But I don't see any index that has 1 and 8 on index 7. So this is the beach. This is, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 31, 27. So it can't be that one. This one doesn't have 1 or 8 anywhere. Unless it shows this one, actually. You know what? That's a good point. Why would it choose tile 15 for it, though? I mean, 1 and 8. No, it can't be 15. Because I don't see 15 here. So it can't be that. When we go here, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's occupied. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll probably have to debug that later on, but anyways, guys, I think this is what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna get ready for work soon. But hey, we got some stuff done. We got some stuff done here today. You just need to work on the right side, but if you look, if I travel to this section here, you know, we got this side already. Perfecto. Cool. Probably gonna continue working on this off screen, and maybe I can get the rest working on and see how that looks. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it off right now. So thank you guys here for watching, or if you're watching this in the future, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Signing out.